Hey everybody watching at home, welcome back to Don's Lawns. I'm back over at the in-laws house, the project side lawn, and we're going to apply some ProCare natural fertilizer. This is our third fertilization of the year. The first one was an expert weed and feed. It did a great job, probably knocked out about 75% of the weeds in the lawn. And then we did a ProCare, which was our second treatment fertilizer for the year. We did that about 9 weeks ago, and towards the mid to late March. March 24th was the last time that we applied any fertilizer. Today is Memorial Day. It's the end of May. We're gonna go ahead and throw down some more ProCare. We're gonna go ahead and throw that down. Remember, I'm testing that out over here on the side lawn, and it's working pretty good. I've been satisfied with the results so far. So over here at the side lawn, it is 1,700 square feet. The bag of ProCare says that it is a 36-pound bag, and it treats 2,500 square feet, and that is at a rate of 14.4 pounds of product per 1,000 square feet. So you take that 14.4, you multiply it by 1.7, which is our square footage here per 1,000, and that comes up with 25.4. That tells you that basically we need to put down 25 pounds of product on this 1,700 square foot section. As always, thanks for watching today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, tap subscribe, and remember to visit my Teespring store. I hope you guys have the best of luck in the lawn.